Rutgers. Weather watcher Brittany Trumpy here with your evening forecast for Saturday, April 26, 2014. So taking a look at today's daily almanac, you do see that today we reached a high of 70. Our low tonight's going to be down to a low of about 46 degrees. Our averages this time of year are right around the same. Our low of 43, our high of 66. Our record low was 30 degrees set in 1934, and our record high was 88 degrees set in 1960. And our sunrise and sunset at the bottom of your screen. Looking at our weather headlines, you do see that we are going to have a mostly sunny day behind us, but we do have some rain coming in, and that we're going to have some spring-like temperatures for the rest of the week. So looking at today's low for the state, you see that Wildwood came in at 47, Millville 44, Camden 45, 42 for New Brunswick, Sussex 41, Newark 45, and Toms River 42. Taking out a little farther to the northeast, you see that Dover came in 46, Lancaster 41, Mount Pocono 35, Poughkeepsie 44, and Boston 41. So looking at our watcher satellite, this is earlier this evening and a little bit into the future. You do see that we did have a little bit of thunders, a little bit of lightning, but that did move its way out of our area, and we should have some pretty clear skies for the rest of the night. Taking a wider national look, you do see that was the precipitation working its way off and onto the coast, and that we do have some other precipitation working its way into our area, but it's really not anything to worry about anytime soon. So looking at our futurecast, you do see that the precipitation went away, and we're going to have some pretty good skies until around Tuesday, around 3:30. Things get a little cloudy, and then some precipitation works its way in. For our evening planner, tonight around 9 p.m., we're going to have a chance for showers, temperatures around 58 degrees. 12 a.m., partly cloudy, temperatures around 51. 3 a.m., a mostly clear skies, temperatures around 46. So for a look ahead overnight, we're going to get down to a low of 43 degrees. We have winds from the west-northwest at 12 miles per hour, and we're going to have some showers early on. But for tomorrow morning, the showers should subside, and we should have some mostly sunny skies, a temperature around 57, and winds from the west at 13 miles per hour. So looking at our 7-day forecast, I'll step out for you. We're going to have tomorrow some isolated showers, possibly a high 71, low 48. Monday, mostly sunny, high of 64, low of 42. Tuesday, a chance for showers, high of 63, low of 41. Wednesday, another chance for rain, a high of 54, low of 45. Thursday, some more rain, a high of 55, a low of 43. Friday, some scattered showers, but also some sun mixed in there, high of 62, low of 46. And Saturday, partly sunny, high of 68, low of 44. So if you missed us, you can check us out on Channel 6 every 15 minutes. You can check us out on Facebook at RU Weather Watcher. You can like us on, or follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW, hashtag RUWeather. Or you can head over to our website, weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm Brittany Trumpy, and thank you for watching.